Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered if your skin could feel as smooth and lifted as it looks in those flawless magazine spreads? Well, today we're exploring a product designed to tackle some of those signs of aging across multiple areas. The RoC Multi Correxion Anti-Aging Wrinkle Cream. It's formulated for the chest, neck, and face, promising hydration, improved elasticity, and a smoother appearance. This cream is designed to restore firmness while reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It also targets common concerns like dark circles, puffiness, dryness, and dullness, all with a focus on hydrating aging skin. The instructions are simple. Apply small dots around the eye area and gently smooth until fully absorbed. It's strictly for external use. In my testing, incorporating this cream into my daily routine was straightforward. I focused on my neck and chest in the mornings and evenings and added careful attention around my eyes. The texture is lightweight, easily absorbed, and didn't leave a sticky residue, which is a major plus for layering under makeup or pairing with other serums. I noticed the skin felt hydrated almost immediately, and over several weeks, there was a subtle improvement in elasticity, particularly around the eye and jawline areas. The cream also had a gentle, unobtrusive scent, which made it pleasant to use daily. Now, when weighing the pros and cons, the strengths are clear. It delivers consistent hydration, improves the overall look of the skin, and feels comfortable for sensitive areas like the eyes. The packaging is simple but functional, and the multi-area focus is convenient for those looking to streamline their anti-aging routine. On the flip side, the results aren't instant. Fine lines take time to diminish, and the cream may not fully address deeper wrinkles or advanced skin laxity without complementary treatments. Considering value for money, the RoC Multi Correxion offers solid performance at a mid-range price. The formulation is backed by a reputable brand with a strong track record in anti-aging science, and while it may not replace intensive treatments or professional procedures, it's a worthwhile addition for everyday maintenance and prevention. Compared to similar anti-aging creams, RoC holds its own with its multi-target approach. Some products may offer more intensive results for specific concerns like deep-set wrinkles or severe puffiness, but few cover face, neck, and chest in a single formula with this level of hydration and ease of use. The build quality of the tube is sturdy and hygienic, and the cream itself remains stable without separation or clumping over time, which is always reassuring. RoC's reputation for reliable customer support adds another layer of confidence for those hesitant about trying a new anti-aging product. If you're exploring alternatives, there are other anti-aging creams targeting similar concerns, some at a lower price point, but they may not combine all the areas or deliver the same lightweight texture that makes this one easy to integrate into your routine. Overall, the RoC Multi Correxion Cream is a solid choice for anyone looking to hydrate aging skin and gently improve firmness across the face, neck, and chest. It's best suited for those who want consistent, daily care and are patient with gradual improvements rather than immediate transformation. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this cream, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.